Hey there, friends. Hillbilly Bob here. I'm at Annapolis Royal. This town was founded in 1603. We ought to be able to find some antiques here. What do you think? Follow me and Penelope along, and we'll show you the town. I'm at the German bakery. It's the Sachsen Cafe and Bakery. Oh my gosh, we are going to go in there and eat. And I know it's going to be good.
A meat veggie cheese omelet, my dear. With some blueberry jam and rye bread.
Oh my gosh. Look at that. Now that's some home meat there.
The best breakfast we've had so far.
It sure is.
The German bakery. Meat omelet with toast.
Oh my goodness.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna eat it and eat it and eat it. Let me get into this. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's like a pizza omelet. It is delicious. It's got meat and vegetables and everything. It is really good.
Best omelet I've ever
They
eaten.
better. And they said they had breakfast. So what Hillbilly Bob did, he opened the door and come on in.
Fabulous.
Yes. So what we gonna do?
Eat it, eat it, eat it.
My dear, you have a good day.
How long have you been working here? Thank you so much.
Oh,
You
I
are
like you too, my
Your
friend.
place is beautiful and your food is crazy
Give
good.
your address and we visit you.
Yeah, yeah.
Georgia, coming down to Georgia.
Yes, yes. Yeah. I would run barefoot to get here and eat again.
Barefoot. Oh,
Yeah.
1,800 miles? Or
Yeah,
was it?
yeah. I would ride my bicycle barefooted. It was sharp pedals.
what is your name?
They call me Hillbilly Bob.
Hillbilly Bob. I
Yeah.
like it.
So,
I like it.
am I your first hillbilly?
Yes, yes. I like you. I like
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Usually I see him.
Well, hey, my ancestors, they made moonshine back in the day,
Yeah?
and they were big time moonshiners. The
They did.
revenuers got them, caught them, and put them in prison.
Oh.
So when they got out of jail, they nearly starved to death. But look at me, I hadn't starved to death. Hey, we love y'all.
Yes, we love you too.
I know you do.
Greetings from Austria and Germany.
Yeah.
All right, all right. Thank you so much,
You want my
everybody.
husband?
Huh?
Peter.
Brag to him. He run.
Come in here, Bob.
I'm getting an exclusive. Hey, buddy.
How are you?
I'm from Georgia,
Yeah.
and this food is excellent.
Good.
Hey, me and my wife Penelope love you.
Aww.
Thank you.
I like people like you.
We like people
I will
like
put this under my pillow and sleep tonight, knowing my belly is full. Thank you for allowing us to eat at your establishment.
Oh, you're welcome, my dear.
If I was French. Okay, we're going to visit Fort Anne here in Annapolis Royal. In the back, you can see the old general quarters that was built back in the day.
Fire in the hole!
All right, this is the officer quarters. It was built in 1797. Let's go in. There's the king. There's the queen. Catch a chicken, clean him up, boil him up, and eat it. What do you think? Just think this fella fell asleep here a long time ago and somebody painted his picture. It's good to have friends. And here's my friend Bill. Hey buddy, I'd like to buy my dog a beer. What do you recommend?
How about a can of Fetch?
Yeah. So it's a dog beer.
It's a dog beer.
Never heard of it. And it's bone broth.
It is. Yeah.
Well,
Non-carbonated.
Yeah. Well, that's good. Thank you. Isn't that cool? My new buddy Rob.
Welcome to Canada, buddy.
Yeah, he's a great guy. I think me and him could be cousins or brothers.
Well, at least second cousins. At least second.
Man, I hate to leave here.
We'll see you again, I'm sure.
Thank you, buddy. All right, we're at one scoop to scoop. And Miss Penelope is going to go in here and get her an ice cream. Woo! Look at that. That's going to be good.
Love ice cream. Here's to us. I love you.
Hey, I want you to meet Carolyn and Darlene.
Hi.
We've met them here at Annapolis Royal, and they are so sweet. And it was nice to meet them. Keep them in your prayers and say hello to them. I'm at Coastal Reflections. Let's go check it out. It is. Say everything's handmade here?
handmade in Atlantic, Canada.
That's nice. It's beautiful pieces.
Thank